Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the application of midpoint formula from class 10 exercise 7.2 NCERT textbook. It is the problem number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x, 6, 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So here a parallelogram ABCD is given with coordinates 1, 2, 4, y, x 6 and 3, 5. We need to find the values of x and y here. We know that in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. Bisecting means exactly dividing into two equal parts. That means AC diagonal divides BC diagonal into two equal parts. The point P is the midpoint because it is dividing BD into two equal parts. Similarly, the BD diagonal divides AC into two equal parts. That's why again P is the midpoint for AC also. P is the midpoint for BD as well as P is the midpoint for AC. So, by using midpoint formula, we can equate the coordinates and find the values for x and y. Let us consider AC diagonal and find the midpoint P. So, midpoint P for AC. We know that the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which is equals to here x1 y1 are 1 comma 2 and x2 y2 are x comma 6. x1 is 1 plus x2 is x by 2 comma y1 is 2 and y2 is 6 by 2. This is equals to 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2. Now we will find the midpoint P for BD diagonal. So again applying the midpoint formula, here x1 y1 becomes 4 comma y. 4 is x1 and y is y1, 3 is x2 and 5 is y2. So 4 plus 3 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2. Now both are the coordinates of P only. So we can equate this one and this one. 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2. Now equating the coordinates of x and y, we will get the values for small x and small y. Let us equate the coordinates of x and y. 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Cancelling out 2 here and here, we get 1 plus x is equals to 7 implies x equals to 7 minus 1, that is equals to 6. Now equating the values of the coordinates of y. 8 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2, that implies, so cancelling out 2 and 2 here, we get 8 is equals to 5 plus y, implies y is equals to 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3. So we got y is equals to 3. So here according to the problem, we need to find x and y values only. The problem given is the four sides of a parallelogram are given in which x and y are their coordinates. We need to find the values of x and y. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 3. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.